Are you concerned about the recent market drop?
Nope.
Why not?
I mean, there's always a recent market drop. Like, who cares? I mean, we always hit all-time highs. We've always recovered from recessions, depressions, crashes. Like, who really cares? What has happened so different? Unemployment number, we may hit a recession, so we're freaking out. Folks, this is a buying opportunity right now. It's always
Right.
going to be a buying opportunity. We always hit all-time highs, new all-time highs all the
Uh-huh.
time. So, like, who cares? Who cares
I,
about this? I don't know.
I guess that's a good point. I mean, it just kind of freaked me out a little bit. I felt like I got like kind of a little scared when I saw it drop that far.
It's funny because you look at the Dow Jones and it was 1,000 point drop, and that's all they focused on. They didn't focus on it was a 3% drop. Like, who cares about 3%? There's times like 20% of the year there's a 2% drop or more.
Oh
Like,
wow.
that's happened multiple times over the past 20 years, let alone the past few years.
Mm.
So, like, who cares when it drops? I'm not trying to say who cares about losing money. But this is a great time where you could be maxing out your 401k a little bit more, investing earlier. If you have cash on the sideline, this could be a fantastic time to buy. And if you don't need the money now, as long as you're not buying crap investments, maybe you're buying indices like NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones, it'd be
Right.
a fantastic time to buy, add more money, and just enjoy the growth as it comes,
Mm.
because we're always going to have adversity. We're always going to have wars, inflation, interest rates,
Right.
recession.
Yeah.
So who cares? Just buy.
That's a good point. That's a really good point. So if that's the case, then why do some investors do really well when markets drop and others just lose all of their money?
It's experience. That's probably the biggest thing. Some people are just buying individual stock whether it's a meme stock, whether it's something they've seen online, they know nothing about the company outside of a friend told them at a cocktail party.
Yeah.
And then the very next year you go to that cocktail party, be like, dude, I lost all my money. They're like, oh, I sold that months ago, years ago. That's what, by the way, happens.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, as long as you stay invested, the good investors, I got this question from my mother literally this morning.
Oh wow.
She goes, she was at the gym. She goes, these people are not happy with their financial advisors. I go, really? I go, yeah, they're complaining about their financial advisors. And I'm talking about my son, proud mother,
Right.
saying you should talk to my son. And I
Right.
said, okay, well, I'm going to venture they don't have $10 million. Mom. Oh, no, they're rich. But do you think they have over $10 million? And the whole point I was going to say is successful people, people who really differentiate good investors and bad investors, understand that the risk of investing is losing money. So think
Mm.
about that. You took the risk.
Right.
When you invest in a stock, it could do one of two things. What can it do?
Go up or go down.
Okay, so we know the goal is to go up.
Right.
And if you're investing in an index, we know over time it goes up, averages 10% a year.
Right.
So if you lost money, you already took the risk. You
Right.
took the risk.
Yeah.
You
Makes
lost.
sense. Yeah.
Stick around for the reward.
Yeah. That makes a lot of sense. Why get out before the uptick happens?
Rich people understand that.
Yeah.
Successful people understand that. And everything in life is risk and reward. If you took the risk, be ready for the reward.